Let me be abundantly clear to the Commissioner of ZRP, Stephen Mutamba, and to Minister Kazembe Kazembe. Zanapena mashuka ruda pangwa ino open letter ilikuwa inyoka chinzi July 31. Open letter to Kazembe Kazembe and Stephen Mutamba. Pangwa this letter which is being written by reason of our don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tivuna mobile information. If you do not self-reflect on the orders you are getting from the president on the shoot to kill policy targeted at peaceful demonstrators in the name of law and order, the two of you would be guaranteed of a tragic destiny. You can do clever lawyering with Kill 3, but you are not going to be allowed to hide behind the law in butchering innocent citizens. Stay warned. We have every detail from every secret meeting you have held. You will be countered. There is no doubt about that, and countered decisively. You want to take our ZRP where the force stood with Chiguri just before November 2017. When are you going to learn? Law and order encompasses peaceful protest, and you cannot be allowed to weaponize law and order legislation in pursuit of President Mnangagwa's vindictive cause and aspirations. Doma developments arikuda pangwa ine arikutaurwa pangwa ine na reason wafaruwa pamusoro pana Kazembe Kazembe pamwechete na the ZRP boss commissioner Stephen Mutamba pangwa ine panaudze ma31 July protest. Kunyange zvazvo zvinyazobuda pachena that this protest pangwa ine they've been captured. Pangwa ine tikuona kuti ma-ZRP forces nyangwe nemamwe ma-forces enyika yeZimbabwe they've managed to handle the situation. Pangwa ino patikuona kuti some other people have been intimidated, some have been arrested, zviro zvadaro zvinazoratidza pachena kuti people they are no longer interested just because they care about their families and their loved ones. But pangwa this is just a message iri kuwana reason wafarowa to these individuals who are threatening to stop and avoid or disapproving these illegal protests. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.